Hi there, welcome to Math Camp channel. Today we are going to learn factorizing a quadratic expression. So there are a few steps that we have to follow. So let's start one by one. So first step, we have to multiply the coefficient of x square term by the constant term. Now if we look, the first term of this expression is x square term, and that is our constant term. We have to multiply the coefficient of x square. The coefficient, whenever there is no coefficient is hidden, which is 1. So we are going to multiply 1, which is coefficient of x square, with constant 28. So we will get 28 as answer. Now the second step, we have to identify all pairs of numbers whose product equals to the result from step number 1. So 2 times 14 is another factor pair or multiplication pair, we can say, and third one is 4 times 7 equals 28. So we have these three multiplication or factor pair of 28. So this is step 2 we have done. Now in step 3, let's see what we have to do. We have to choose a pair whose sum or difference equals to the coefficient of x term, and coefficient of this x is 11. Now among these, which pair has sum or difference of 11? So 1 plus 28 will give us 29. If we find out the difference 1 and 29, it is 27. That means this factor pair is not going to be used. Now second is 2 and 14. If we find the sum of 2 and 14, it will be 16, and difference is going to be 12. So this is not going to be used again. Now third pair is 4 and 7. If we add it, so we get 11. We are going to use this factor pair 4 and 7. So that's a step 3 we have done. Now in fourth step, we just simply have to write these numbers within the brackets: x plus 4 and x plus 7. So this is going to be factorization of this quadratic expression. I hope you have liked it and understood it. Take care. Bye bye.